this coin is going to be #1 worldwide.
Ruja Ignatova, who became known as the missing crypto queen, has been accused of defrauding victims out of more than $4 billion.
I lost all of my money.
An international fugitive who allegedly masterminded a vast worldwide fraud scheme is being added to the FBI's top 10 most wanted list.
She messed with the wrong guys.
One, two, three.
We will double the coins on your accounts.
When I saw Dr. Ruja Ignatova, it was a hype that you invest in one coin, you can buy villas, you can buy nice cars. She is leading people out of their financial misery. I lost all of my money. And then on top of that, I had to keep borrowing money from the banks. It was a really sad, embarrassing and depressing moment of my life.
If you look at where all the money ended up, it ended up in her pockets. Private jets, she had multi-million-dollar mansions, every one. We heard about apartments filled with cash in Hong Kong and Thailand. When you start piecing together the money trails, it just opened up Pandora's box. Hundreds of millions of dollars being transferred over into shell companies.
As in most, let's call them mafia environments, you have to buy yourself protection. The bigger it gets, the more dangerous it becomes. I said, why do you have to leave? You are safe in Bulgaria. You are protected. Why do you want to leave Bulgaria? She said, my people want me out of the country. I have to do this. I don't have any choice.
The key question is, why would Taki kill her? One possible answer is that she already knew too much. If in the mafia you become a liability, you're butchered and you're thrown to sink at the bottom of the sea.
If he thought she was a threat to him and he had access to her, 100% he would probably take her out. But do I know that? No. But that would make sense.